Hi guys, if you want to know how to make pants, this video is for you. Need a ruler, marker, tape, your scissors and draft paper. Let's begin by drawing a vertical line from the top, a horizontal line, and this is our waistline. You're going to need your measurements. I was hoping you'd see my measurements in this video, but I don't think you can. But if you look at the screen, I decided to type it out. We're going to mark out the crotch length, and our crotch length, it will divide our hip measurement by 4, and our hip measurement was 48. So that means we're going to divide 48 by 4, and that gives us 12. Next, we will mark our waist measurement. Our waist measurement will also be divided by 4 plus 1, and this 1 inch extra will act as an allowance. Now we're going to connect the line we marked on the waist to the crotch that we marked out. We're going to mark 1 inch from the waist and draw a slant line. Afterwards, we're going to mark out our lap. Our lap measurement was 48, and if you divided that by 4, that gives us 12, and we're going to add 1.5 to this as allowance. Using our tape, we're going to measure our waist to the end of our lap measurement, and in this video it's 3.5, so we're going to mark at 3.5 at that point there, and then join it to the end of the lap. Next, we'll be marking out our knee line and our calf line. Our knee line is usually about 20 inches from our waist, and we'll mark that out. Our calf line is about 4.5 inches from our knee line, and we're going to mark that out. Next, we're going to find the center of our hip line and mark that out. After marking that out, we're going to extend the line all the way down to the middle of our knee line and our calf line, as well as our hemline. Using our measurements from earlier on, we're going to divide our hem by 2 with our tape in the center line we drew. And next, we're going to mark out the measurements from the center line. We're going to go upwards and also do this to the calf line and the knee line, and we're going to connect these lines all the way from the bottom to the top from the hemline. Next part, we want to connect the lines all the way. Usually you're supposed to use a French curve for this, but I usually just bring it with my hand because I can, but you should use a French curve for this. We're going to cut out the pattern we've made. This is the front of our trouser, and we're going to use the front of our trouser to cut the back, and we'll be doing that shortly. Now, the space between the trouser and the back should be about 2 inches from the leg, and for the crotch it should be about 3 inches. So I'm just going to draw out a line there. I've marked out 3 inches. I'm going to mark 1 inch from the waist for the back, and about 1.5 at the top for the back also, and then I'm going to connect the lines. Draw a curve with a French curve, preferably connecting the lines, and go ahead and just connect all the points that we marked out before. We're going to cut out our pattern now. This is the back of the trouser. And that's it, we're done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.